Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we bring you the most jaw-dropping, boundary-smashing vehicles on the planet. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is not just a motorhome, this is not just a truck. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Kenworth 8-story Giant Motorhome, a rolling skyscraper, a moving palace, a machine so enormous and so extravagant that the automotive world may never be the same again. And yes, it comes with a price tag of $75 million. Let us dive deep into every single detail. Starting with the exterior, and honestly, where do you even begin? The moment this vehicle rolls into your view, you immediately understand that this is unlike anything ever built on wheels. The body is finished in an absolutely stunning chrome yellow metallic paint that shimmers and glows under any light condition. Every surface has been precision engineered. The design takes heavy inspiration from luxury megayachts and futuristic architecture, featuring 8 clearly defined deck levels stacked one on top of another, each with curved overhanging platforms finished in polished gold fascias. The panoramic floor-to-ceiling glass windows run across every single floor, and at night, when those interiors are lit up, the whole vehicle glows like a floating city. The structural ribs running diagonally across the body are not just decorative, they are load-bearing elements sculpted into sweeping organic arcs that give this motorhome its signature yacht-like silhouette. At the very top sits a golden finial spire, crowning this 8-story giant with the kind of regal detail you would expect on a luxury hotel. The exterior staircase running along the right side connects all 8 levels and is itself a piece of architectural art. And when you walk around to the rear, you are confronted with a triple-axle, 12-wheel chassis that makes clear just how much engineering had to go into supporting this entire structure. This machine is absolutely commanding on the road. Moving inside, and this is where things go from incredible to truly unbelievable. The ground floor begins with the driver's cockpit, and calling it a cockpit feels almost too modest. The dashboard is a curved panoramic masterpiece featuring a 24-inch ultra-wide central touchscreen, a holographic instrument cluster, ambient LED mood lighting in warm gold tones, and a quilted leather steering wheel trimmed in brushed gold. The captain's chairs are upholstered in the finest cream Napa leather, with full air ride suspension and heating and ventilation built in. 8 surround view cameras feed into a dedicated monitor, so the driver always has full situational awareness despite the vehicle's enormous footprint. Step through into the main living areas and the sheer scale of this motorhome becomes overwhelming in the best possible way. The grand living room lounge spans the full width of the vehicle and features a deep curved sectional sofa in caramel leather that comfortably seats 10 people, an 85-inch flush-mounted OLED television, a fully stocked built-in bar with backlit glass shelving, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows on both sides. The formal dining room accommodates 14 guests at an oval lacquered table under a cascading crystal chandelier. The gourmet kitchen is fitted with professional-grade appliances including a Le Cornu's 6-burner range, Sub-Zero integrated refrigerator columns, Miele dishwasher, built-in espresso station, wine refrigerator, and Calacatta marble countertops with gold veining throughout. The master bedroom suite occupies an upper level and features a king-size platform bed with a velvet upholstered ceiling height headboard, motorized blackout drapes in champagne silk, and its own en-suite spa bathroom with a freestanding stone-soaking tub, a frameless walk-in rain shower, and full marble tile walls with gold inlay detailing. There is also a dedicated home office, a cinema screening room, and multiple guest suites spread across the upper floors. The rooftop level crowns it all with a private outdoor terrace complete with an infinity-edge plunge pool, sun loungers, an outdoor bar, and 360-degree views from a height most buildings would envy. Now let us talk performance. The 2026 Kenworth 8-story Giant is powered by a twin-turbocharged diesel engine producing an extraordinary 1,800 horsepower and over 5,000 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain is mated to an 18-speed automated manual transmission with electronic hill hold and grade assist technology. Despite weighing in excess of 120 tons when fully loaded, this machine is engineered to cruise comfortably at highway speeds. The triple rear axle setup uses an advanced air suspension system that automatically levels the vehicle regardless of road surface or load distribution. Onboard systems include full satellite navigation integrated into every display, real-time vehicle health monitoring, and a remote management app that allows the owner to control climate, lighting, security, and entertainment from anywhere in the world. A 250 kilowatt onboard generator ensures complete energy independence, and the vehicle can be optionally fitted with Rooftop solar panels to supplement power usage during extended stays. It can also deploy 4 hydraulic stabilizer legs to convert into a fully stationary luxury residence within minutes of parking. And now the question everybody is thinking. How much does this cost? The 2026 Kenworth 8-story Giant Motorhome carries a base price of $75 million. That figure includes full interior customization, all appliances, entertainment systems, rooftop amenities, and a 2-year comprehensive service package. Optional add-ons such as the helium-assisted rooftop landing pad, the cinema-grade projection system, the heated outdoor pool upgrade, and the armored security package can push the total closer to $90 million. Deliveries are currently being taken for a 12 to 18 month production timeline, and only a very limited number of units will ever be built. So there you have it, the 2026 Kenworth 8-story Giant Motorhome reviewed in full. 8 stories, 12 wheels. $75 million. A kitchen that would make a Michelin-starred chef jealous, a bedroom suite that outclasses most 5-star hotels, performance figures that defy the laws of physics for a vehicle this size, and an exterior so dramatic it stops traffic in every city it passes through. This is what happens when engineering ambition meets unlimited budget and a vision for the future of luxury travel. If you enjoyed today's review, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to MH Car Review so you never miss a build like this one. Drop a comment below and tell us, if money was no object, would you live in this? We will see you in the next one.